Hello everybody. Today what we have here is a antique white 3rd generation Fasco State Fair ceiling fan. I got this fan at Fanimation through Ben Phelps, and the Cormac man was like the delivery guy since Ben Phelps wasn't able to make it. I paid $50 for this fan. I'm pretty happy with it. This was the last Fasco I needed to complete all 5 of the 5-blade Fascos with the dropped flywheel. That being the Fasco Decorator, the Fasco Vanity Fair, State Fair, the Great Room, and then as well as the 5-blade Charleston. Yeah, let's get into the demonstration. I'm not quite sure on the date of this fan, I haven't checked yet. But if you notice how it has a snow white down rod instead of an antique white, isn't that the antique white down rod is like 2 feet maybe? 2 feet long? Let me see if it's over here. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 feet long. So, for video purposes, I shortened it. This fan's in okay shape. It has a few little imperfections in the paint. Like, that's a good example. Really good example. Other than that, the fan is in pretty good condition. Cosmetic-wise, the fan is okay. Mechanical-wise, it's perfect. Despite the flywheel being a little droopy, if that really is something that matters to you. Me personally, I don't really care that much that it has a slight droop. But to some people, that's a big no-no. Okay, let's bring it up to medium. Low speed, you're not really getting a lot of airflow, but with medium, you can start actually feeling it. To be fair though, this isn't the best spot for airflow considering I have a giant I-beam in the way, but whatever. Let's bring it up to high. Fan's a pretty good performer. As you can see, the blades tilted back up. Alright, and that'll be the end for this video. If you're wondering, I quit doing spin downs, they're too annoying. So, and that will be it. Thank you for watching.